to my channel. So before I get started on today's video and I show you guys how I got this look, I wanted to take a moment and speak about Black Lives Matter and everything that has been going on in the past week. I think for anybody that does social media or YouTube or anything like that, it would just be unfair and unjust to not speak about it. So I want to say that I will be leaving as many supportive links as I can below. If you don't have, the means to donate, please sign petitions, share it on social media. If you can't protest, go out and protest and do all of that. Just make sure that you're spreading information about what's going on with police brutality and everything that Black people have to face in this society. We need to make a change and we need to be the generation that actually makes a difference. So I will be leaving as many petitions, as many, informative links as I can below. And I really hope everybody that watches this video takes the time to sign these petitions, to share valuable information, and to make sure that we are standing alongside with the Black Lives Matters movement and do something that makes a difference in this world. Okay guys, so all I have done so far is just my base foundation. I haven't done anything on the lids. I just did my face and my eyebrows, which I finally got threaded, and I also did my nails, so I feel so much better about myself. I was looking a hot mess, but now I'm looking a little bit of a cooler mess. Still a mess, but just not a hot one. Anyways, so for today's look, we're going to be using the Btaylor Aqua liners. This is the mini liners from Btaylor. So I found this brand because I don't know if you guys know her. Her name is Graphic Liner. I believe she has a different name on Instagram and a different name on Twitter, but I'll link her below. She basically is really well known for doing graphic liner looks, and she did a thread of all of her favorite graphic liners, and she included this brand and these aqua liners on her thread. And I sent it to my friend Jose because we both are into makeup, and I told him that I've been really wanting to try it, and he actually got me these for my birthday. It's a little bit ahead of time. My birthday is June 27th, but he got it for me, and I really want to test them out. This is actually a Black owned brand, so if you guys want to support them, please do. I have dipped into them a little bit. I put some on my boyfriend, but I haven't tried some on me yet. And honestly, they looked really great. The consistency was awesome, so definitely support this brand, and I will link them below as well. But anyways, let's get started with our look. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try to recreate the Ariana Grande look where she did for the Rain On Me video. She had liner, and she had a black liner, and then she had white liner surrounding it. But I want to do it with this aqua liner because I have some aqua earrings that I really want to wear, and I think it would look cute. And I don't have any white liner anyway, so we're just gonna reinvent the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer. So the first thing I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna put concealer all over my eyelids. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelids to get a really good base. So first step is eyeliner. I'm going to be using this mini roller liner by Benefit because, I don't know, I feel like I can work with it better. Let's do it. Okay, eyeliner is on. I like it. I think it's pretty even. I think this one I might go in a little bit more because this side's a little bit more thicker. So let's just even these up. Okay, so based off what Btaylor Beauty has on their website, what you're supposed to do is grab your lid and put a few droplets of water in here. Then get your brush, wet your brush, and then start dipping it into the graphic liner. What you don't want to do is directly put water inside of the graphic liner because that can mess up the formula. Also, once you're done using the graphic liner, you're going to want to do is just leave it open for a few hours for it to dry, and then put the lid back on. Okay, those are just a couple of tips that they had on their website. So I'm just gonna go in, dab this in with some water, and then try to create a really nice and creamy consistency. Yeah guys, I've been honestly wanting to try graphic liners so bad. I just think they're so much fun and so different, and I'm trying to be a little bit more adventurous with my makeup and not just do like my basic, very easy makeup all the time. And I think it's just, I don't know, it's like so much fun and so different, you know? Okay, let's get started. So this is my little brush. This is actually a brush from a different graphic liner that I bought, but I did not like, and the consistency was really, really tacky. So I threw away that and I just kept the brush for this purpose, okay? So I'm just gonna go like this and kind of come around like that. So hopefully it works out for me. Let's get started. Okay, that's kind of literally so pretty. This color, oh my god. Wow. Guys, wait a minute. Wow, this is such a pretty color. This side is not as even as this side, so I'm gonna go and fix it up, but wow, this is so pretty. Okay. Wow, I love this. So I think Ariana Grande had it all the way down, but I don't feel like doing that. I feel like it looks so good like this. Should I add another color? These are the colors that I have. I have pastel yellow, which, wow, this is like so neon. I have a darker blue, which is also beautiful. Then I have a light purple, which I might dip into. And then of course the aqua, which is the one I'm wearing right now. Wow, this is so pretty. I can't stop staring at it. I am like in love with it. Like it's like so editorial. Okay, let's put on some lashes. Let's do that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this. First of all, these are the earrings and they completely match with this aqua liner. I wish I had an aqua top, but I mean, I'm not mad at this purple one. I went in with a little bit of an aqua pigment that I had in the inner corner, and I think it just brought everything together. And as far as these Btaylor Beauty aqua liners go, I love them. They are so good. The formula is great. The color is amazing. The pigmentation. They have a few other colors, and these are $3.50 each, which I think is a huge bargain for like the formula and everything that you're getting. And I definitely think you guys should go out and support this brand. Anything that we can do to support one another, I think we should do it. And I will be linking them below, as well as don't forget that I have all of the supportive links down below where you can sign petitions, you can donate, you can check out protests. Please take a moment and sign as many petitions as you can, donate if you can donate, and just please share valuable information about the Black Lives Matter movement, because we need to make a change in this world. And on that note, that is everything for today's video. I will see you guys next week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And for all of you that want to try graphic liner, please take the time to do so. It is so much fun and I definitely don't regret this.